This video, the customer had the problem that this wall is falling towards this way, so we are going to cut it just half because that is what the customer wants, and I'll show you the process step by step. Alright, so the problem that they are having is the wall is falling towards this way because they didn't put the pipes, the drainage that I'm going to show you. So as you can see here, so we have here on the top, we have a little bit of space over here, like that, but on the bottom, I don't know if you can tell, is we have a big space. So basically we have a big space here, and here is falling towards the wall. So I'm going to show you, for instance, how it should be done. So for instance, we have here in the neighbor, we have the pipes. Hopefully you can see the laser here. So here we have a pipe, another one pipe over there. Over there we have more pipes. So we have to do the same thing in the other way. So in the other house. So if we do the same thing, as you can see here, on the side of the wall, we're not going to have the issue that all the pressure of the water is pushing the wall outside. So that is how that wall is straight. So if you see it from here, I mean, it looks pretty good. But you have to have that everywhere. So they have done it over there, over here, all around it. So that is what we are going to do here in order to fix this small wall that you see over here. So we have to use these Roto Hammer Drills, and then we're going to separate the brick one by one, and then we're going to put them where the customer wants me to put it, that is in that corner. Otherwise, we usually put it in a trailer when we take it to the downfields, landfills. So we're going to make it, in this case, we're going to cut it just at this height and make it all the way to the other end. As you can see, I made a mark here. So this is, I made a straight line with the chalk box, and I made a line here every 3 feet, and we're going to put the pipes like I was showing you with the neighbor. So we're going to do the same thing here. As you can see, I bought the pipes. We're grading the dirt, so it's going to look nicer, and we're going to start making the holes over here. So also I bought a little bit of concrete, and we are going to continue. So now we are using the stud, the 2x4 as a guide. So we're going to do everything like 45 degrees, so that way we look better. Later we're going to do like a small steps here with the wall, so that way we'll have the same shape as the dirt. Right, another advantage of having the inverter is that I can run the angle grinder, so because the customer is not here. So as you can see, it works great. As you can see, we're doing the marks, so we're going to put the pipes here. Almost perfect. So we are using the extension over there when the tinsel is not long enough, so that way we can reach almost anything. You can see I'm making them holes one next to the other one. Is much better than the other way. So the way after that you can use the chisel to do the shop and cut the whole piece, or to remove the whole thing in as quick as possible. You can see we just put the pipe over there. So we're finishing the hole over there. So we're going to put concrete around it, and then we should be good. As you can see, you have all the pipes, the job is done. So later they can put some grass or whatever else they want to do. At least the wall is not going to fall on anybody or anything. So as you can see, it's pretty straight. It's what the customer wanted. And now we are going to the next job. See you next time.